Yabotsa wa yabe ne kai me no wati wa grace ibela nya utana ni magwa do we pe me so ogbon so kugbe be to ni makere be to ne wi mani makere baba na ni aira ije mo ke bitin wa de ba me ni magba do we kugbe wo ge no ma etene na yo ni je ipe me eso yagbon ifie me no tan la dia edo ne but a long sentence igari ipe me na ti we in English you handle yagme ikbeme no time with all if you want to use to make a long sentence weti yagme ikbeme no really conwe so kompa we vano the one I'm using today is going to be like this. Listen, we aje no derade in English where have you been since yesterday? We aje no derade where have you been since yesterday? Ere wa say you don't know why ma ono kakabot sangbe Ioni ma wo ikrekere that we okado kade on ya later. So little by little. So a little cup of water make a mighty ocean. So we're gonna be learning it little by little. So that's it. We are kede, where are you coming from? We are kede, where are you coming from in English? We are no the other. Where have you been since yesterday? So that's all. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you all. Why always when I damn you all. So I feel or we can